Have you considered making onion paste? Better still, you've tried severally but didn't get a good result? This video is for you. Hello guys, it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make onion paste. So guys, let's dive in. In here I have chopped onions and green peppers. I'm going to blend them with some water. It's so smooth. This next stage, I'll be using a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of oregano, a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of parsley, and lastly 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. This is the result. Pour in some oil. This whole process will be done on low heat. This is it. The moisture is completely gone. Set aside and store when cooled. Finally, onion paste is ready to garnish your meals. For storage, keep in the refrigerator while it lasts. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.